My name is Robert Talley. I'm the Technology Coordinator for the Lassen County Office of Education in Susanville, California.
Shannon, Elliot, Lassen County Office of Education, Assistant Technology Coordinator.
Our environment, we have buildings and programs at every school site located within Lassen County. Our main facility is in Susanville and does the core aspects for our users, but we have to provide services to every single site. The old system that we had was an older executone system. It was about 20 years old, and we were having problems with the system. When we come in the morning, sometimes it wouldn't be on. When it did have a problem and we needed to replace a part, we were having difficulty finding parts. We were actually putting in used parts, so we were living on borrowed time with the system.
When we decided it was time to replace our new system, we originally decided not to go with Frontier and the Mitel solution. We had originally picked a different solution, mainly due to cost. And it began to dawn on me that I wasn't going to have that local support. I was going to be getting support out of Silicon Valley. So it really started to think, okay, maybe it is worth getting the local service. And that has paid over tenfold for us. We realized that the phone system we were looking at would not even have come close to what we're doing with the Mitel system today. So it was an absolutely good decision that we made at the time.
We had to go to management to make the case for the Mitel system, and it wasn't very hard to sell to them because we could show that this was the best solution for us for all of the goals that we were meeting, while the other solutions that we were looking at had holes in them that they couldn't fill for every different instance that we needed. Frontier worked with us to ensure that we had our network in place ready for the Mitel system ahead of time. One of the main features that they did for us was the Metro Ethernet product. That allowed us to be able to connect phones at the remote sites and have them sitting on our network as if we were sitting right there in our office. We did VLANs and implemented quality of service so that the phones get priority over any other type of traffic going over our network. They assisted with every aspect of preparing our network and making sure that this was a successful implementation. They knew that they had to get it right the first time out of the gate, and they worked very hard to do that. The feedback that we've received from our users has been very positive. We have not received any negative feedback other than, why didn't we do this sooner? Some of the features that we're looking to implement in the future is unified communications. We're going to be able to load a soft phone onto a laptop for our users, so if a user is running from site to site, they don't have to lug a phone around to be able to plug in. The microphone and speaker are already there, they're ready to talk.
We liked working with Frontier because we knew they're a hometown business that is here to support us 100%, and that's exactly what they've done every step of the way, including being able to figure out what our ROI would be.
We found that we paid for this system within about 4 years, and with the soft cost that we've now been able to identify, it's actually shortened that up to about 3 years.